And the latest coming in on the political drama in Rajasthan. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is now attempting to firefight over the police summons to Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, who the Chief Minister is at war with. Gehlot in a tweet has said that notices by the police were a regular feature and it was issued to him as well. Gehlot has accused the media of presenting the story in a negative manner. The Rajasthan Chief Minister has also sent a message to all Congress MLAs asking them to be present in Jaipur by this evening. He's also called for a meeting at 9 p.m. tonight. Dev Ankur Vadavan with me live from Jaipur. Dev, the tweet by Ashok Gehlot is all very fine, because ultimately the police does report to Ashok Gehlot. So him saying that he has also been summoned, nobody is buying that argument. The bigger question is, where is Sachin Pilot right now, Dev, and what is the situation? We understand that many MLAs have landed in Delhi as well. What's going on? What's the latest?
Well, Shiv, if you look at the entire scenario, to put that into perspective,
yes,
the Rajasthan government, the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been at loggerheads with each other for the longest time. And it has been the worst kept secret in Rajasthan politics. But now, when the PCC president, the new PCC president has to be elected, when the cabinet expansion has to happen, and amidst all of that, the war has once again come to the forefront. Sachin Pilot right now has been camping in Delhi, and from our sources, we have gathered that there are about 15 MLAs which are with Pilot right now. Pilot has been trying to get time with the party high command, with Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, but so far the party high command has not given him time. As far as Pilot is concerned, his grievance is that he's being ignored at the state political level, that he's not given enough importance during meetings, that he's not called for cabinet meetings, that during important discussions he's not made a part of that. And despite the fact that he helmed the party for 6 years, that he ensured that the party won the elections in 2018, but despite that, he has been sidelined in the sense that he does not have portfolios of significance.
Yes.
The key portfolios of finance, of home, and several other key portfolios are with the Chief Minister. And all of those grievances, Pilot wants to discuss with the party high command. Also, this SOG FIR has been a thorn in Pilot's flesh, and he believes that all of this is being done at Gehlot's behest, because the Home Department is right now with Gehlot, and the SOG directly reports to the Home Department. Shiv?
Thanks very much. We'll have to see how this drama plays out later this evening as well. Dev, thank you for joining me. We'll connect with you a little later then.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.